Okay, here's something you don't see every day. This is how you tighten spokes with a special torque wrench. Checking the tightness. Breaking the wheels in. This is how you do it. With this Warp9 spoke tightener torque wrench. So far so good. 44 inch-pounds. And here's what you get in the package. You get multiple sizes of little wrenches for your spokes. And the basic spoke wrench down there. But it goes from 5.1 millimeter up to 6.9 millimeter. Pretty handy, especially for you brave souls that lace your own wheels.